Good bear. That's right. Give him a good tug. Polar bear. That's it. Grab a hold. You got it. Pull yourself up. Good job. And start walking forward. That's my girl. Whoop. Went a little fast. There you go. Good job. Yay, Zoe, you're walking. With assistance. Yay. Whoop. Obstacle. You've come up against a chair. Let's see if we can turn this around. Here we go. Put this here. Comme ça. There you go. Let's try and give you a straight line. There you go. Whoops, hold on, wait. That's an accident waiting to happen. Here we go. Where is that? Is this supposed to be on a hill or what? There you go. Oh, you're leaning a little to the right. Let me help you out. This way. Oh, never mind. I'd rather hold on to the bars, Ma. What are you trying to reach? Trying to reach that wire. Out of reach. I don't know why it's doing that. Done. New activity.